Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. What is going on, guys? It's the 4th of November. The Trilogy tour, Hadith Disciple tour, UK, starts today. I'm on the taxi right now, making my way to the airport. I'm a little bit late, but it should be fine, inshallah. This is going to be the first vlog, and as I told you guys on my Instagram, if you guys not following, then go ahead and follow so you don't miss out on anything. I'm going to be recording the behind the scenes of the tour. I'm going to be vlogging, since some other mates like Nuruddin don't know how to vlog. So I'm going to be vlogging, inshallah. I encourage you guys to watch the whole behind the scenes. And yeah, hope I can bring you guys some good content. Alright?
الحمد لله على تقديره وحسن ما صرف من أموره. الحمد لله بحسن صنعه، شكرا على إعطائه ومنعه. خوف من يجهل من عقابه وأطمع الحامل في ثوابه.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
لدى الشدائد ومن له الشكر مع المحامد. أنت إلهي وبك التوفيق، والوعد يبدي نوره التحقيق. حسبك مما تبتغيه القوت، ما أكثر القوت لمن يموت. إن كان لا يغنيك ما يكفيك، فكل ما في الأرض لا يغنيك. الفقر فيما جاوز الكفاف، من عرف الله رجا وخاف. إن القليل بالقليل يكثر، إن الصفاء بالقذى لا يكدر. من لم يصل فرض إذا جفاك لتقطعن.
We waited a long time, police got to us, but alhamdulillah, look who we got out here. Alhamdulillah.
Come on, man.
We were waiting for
Snuck
you.
up on me, Ahi.
Alhamdulillah, because you avoided me, man.
الناس وأنت فاسد، هيهات ما أبعد ما تكابد. لكل ما يؤذي وإن قل ألم ما.
So we're getting some of this good UK weather. What is that? Oh man.
Oh nah, UK weather.
Allah Akbar. The rain, after the rain. Spain is Spain though. We can't, compare the two.
Definitely.
Alhamdulillah.
من جعل النمام عينا هلكا، مبلغك الشر كباغيه لك. لكل قلب أمل يقلبه.
Alright guys, so we're in the car right now. Gotta thank Al-Akh Muhammad, aka Sawak, the driver, for this blessing. Oh, mashallah, may Allah bless your wife. Mashallah.
That's walima for you. What is it? That's walima for you.
خداج ما طاب عذب شابه عجاج. إياك والغيبة والنميمة، فإنها منزلة ذميمة. علمت يا مجاشع بن مسعدة أن الشباب والفراغ والجدة مفسدة للمرء أي مفسدة. يا للشباب المرح التصابي، روائح الجنة في الشباب. أستودع الله أموري كلها، إن لم يكن ربي لها فمن لها. الحمد لله كثيرا شكرا، الله أعلى وأعز أمرا. ما شاء ربي أن يكون كان، والمرء يردي نفسه أحيانا. نستوفق الله لما نحب، ما أقبح الشيخ الكبير يصبو. يا عاشق الدنيا تسل عنها، ويل على الدنيا وويل منها. ما أسرع الساعات في الأيام، وأسرع الأيام في الأعوام، وأسرع الأيام في الأعوام. خليلي إن الحادثات ترادف، وأسهم أقواس النوى تتقاذف. ولله أقدار تحل بخلقه، تحيط بهم وهي الرياح العواصف تمر ب.
No, you don't do that.
من الأيام والقلب غافل ويصرفنا عن فجأة الموت صارف فما مر يوم يستضاء بشمسه على الناس إلا والجسوم تخاطف ينام قرير العين من كان آمنا وفي لحظة تطوى عليه اللفائف فلم ينج من ريب المنون محصن ولم ينج بين الناس يقظان.
Alright guys, so as you guys can see right now, we are at the first stop, which is London. Most of the times what happens when this type of Hadith disciple tours happen is that Sheikh and Abu Sa'id, they are tired, jet lag, so we go to the place where they stay at and they take a rest. So that's what's going on right now, you know, praying Dhuhr, getting a few dates in and whatnot. I'm trying to fly the drone, and perhaps you've seen already some of the footages with the drone, but yeah, man, this place is nice. We are here around Vauxhall. Come watch it, Jake. Come watch it, Jake. Come watch it. Come on, man. Come on.
حمل الوصف للوجد واصب رحلت فظل الحزن بعدك سامرا وأرقني جفن عن النوم عاد.
Please forgive me for the first day. There was a lot of clips where we wasn't speaking or anything like that. So please let me know in the comment section if you liked it or if you didn't like it, because I was just recording randomly. Some people on Instagram requested me to record the behind the scenes, so just go ahead and just let me know basically.
وقلبك في وجه المذلة واكف رحلت وعند الله عفو وجنة.
How much of your courage do you feed? How much of your greed do you feed? Your cowardice that is naturally placed within you, the natural innate disposition of a human to survive and to protect him or herself. The virtues that come with being learned. Who? فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. Allah, He mentions this in the Quran in many different styles. Humans and jinns. Which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? Allah mentions about a master and a servant. Which one of you would want his servant to be equal with him and put his servant on the same pedestal as him? No one would.
بالفضائل زاخرا فلله عمر بالمكارم زاحف لقد رحلت أمي فمن ذا يعيرني وهل تستعار الأمهات اللطائف ألا جبر الله المصاب فإنه أليم فما يبرى وفي الصدر راجف أما والذي أبكى وأضحك عبرة فلا القول.
Alright people, so as you can see me right here, just got to the destination. What time is it? Is it midnight?
Yeah, 12 past.
Alright, so I'm using these as a hujjah and as a proof that I'm editing the vlog. I was trying to upload it every night, as in record the whole day and upload it in the night, but I think it's going to be really challenging because many reasons. First reason, these guys right here. Like, you can't, it's just impossible to do anything organized with Nuruddin, first of all. And second reason is because the amount of energy that this takes. Like, we are at minute 4:54, and it's most of it images from what's like. You know, there's not much talking to the camera. So I need you guys to tell me, subhanAllah, these are really nice voice rolls. But anyways, I need you guys to tell me if you guys liked it and what you thought about the vlog. MashaAllah. Check out the whip. Really nice. But I need you guys to tell me in the comments if you guys liked it. If I should continue, because if you guys don't like it, I mean, I'm doing it for the people, for those who message me on Instagram, show us behind the scenes, we want more content, longer videos. So that's who I'm doing it for. So you got, come on, Sheikh. So you guys gotta tell me if you guys liked it, if you guys like it, if I should continue. Otherwise, you know, I'm not gonna do the effort. Actually, I was about to finish the vlog, but I thought since we're going to Sheikh rooms. Sorry guys, the R's for us in Spain is R. So if I say Sheikh rooms, it's because of the Spanish. But I'm gonna try and get him to conclude the vlog, perhaps if he's in a vlogging conclusion state. All right, guys. Well, we cannot get the Sheikh to conclude the vlog as we said. You know, it's kind of late, as we already mentioned. Look all the questions that we had without.
There's some sisters from Arisara.
All about marriage, huh?
All about marriage, all about finding a brother, all about, you know.
And then brothers talking about, I can't find a wife. Look how sisters, how motivated they are to find a brother. Read some of these questions for me, please.
It says, what extent of the flaw should you overlook? What if too much is ignored?
Subhanallah.
This question says, can someone choose not to marry someone based on cultural differences only, that is impressed with their other characteristics so much? Should culture be a barrier if other qualities are met and loved?
Allah.
This one says, how can you tell if he or she is being realistic or unready to marry?
MashaAllah. Like, how can you then, brother, say?
Now? Yeah, he's coming, he's bringing it.
How can they say, then I'm gonna marry a Kitabiyya, I'm gonna marry, come on brothers, you got all these sisters out here ready. What's going on, man?
It says, you ended it? You finished?
No.
It says, what advice would you give to someone who fears marriage due to financial reasons such as rent, providing for the family? That's a sister? What is...
Well, the sister wants to provide for the inshallah.
This is rent and providing for the family.
What advice would you give?
Or maybe she fears that the man can't do it.
Due to financial reasons such as rent, providing for the family.
This one is a deep one. It says, if someone is taking all boxes, mashallah, a good brother, but you are not attracted to him at all, should you consider marriage? It says, how can you go about dating in a halal manner, getting to know someone?
MashaAllah, dating in a halal manner. All right.
I don't know if that's an oxymoron, man. I don't
Perhaps
know
she means like meeting up, as in like getting to know the other person.
Maybe, but dating? Anyway,
or
man.
maybe dating as like eating dates in I don't know, Sheikh.
استعان به والله ربي به حولي وقوتي المال ما كان قدامي لآخرتي ما لم أقدمه من مالي فليس لي